Hi, my name is Yuval and I study in grade 5th. This is my Rube Goldberg project. The name of my project is motor fan. The things which I have used in my project are books, phone, car, tracks and Domino's, most important, motor fan, battery and wires. Now let me tell you the different types of energies used in the project are motion energy, kinetic energy, potential energy and electric energy. Now let's see how all of these energies work in my project. The phone will vibrate. There it goes. And fans on. These all were my toys. We can even make it a bigger project by using bigger batteries and bigger motor fan. Thank you.